Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your goals to the MyFitnessPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the More button down below. And after that, click on goals below workout routines in the middle of the screen. Here in the first section you can indicate your starting weight on this slide down below, and also the date. Tap on the checkmark icon, then add your current weight, your goal weight, your weekly goal. Here you can choose whether you would like to lose, maintain or gain kilograms, and you can indicate the amount as well, and the activity level can be selected, such as not very active, lightly active, active or very active. And you can also set your nutrition goals, such as your calorie, carbs, protein and fat goals. Here you can indicate them, so feel free to change any of these. You can see the percentages here, how your meals are made up. Here you can add the nutrition goals in more details, and also the workouts can be personalized or customized as your fitness goal. So select the number of workout sessions that you are planning to achieve per week and the minutes per workout as well. Then you can also adjust the daily goals, calorie goals when you exercise, so how many calories you want to burn, but you need to be a premium member to do that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.